Welcome! In front of me I have BLACKVIEW R3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on this watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on the watch, your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the GLORYFIT application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the GLORYFIT application and your iPhone to send the notifications to your watch. So let's open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, find the option called Bluetooth and tap on it. Right here, you should see the list called My Devices, and on this list you should see the R3 Pro watch. Tap on the info icon next to it, this blue info icon, and in this menu or on this page you should see the option called Share System Notifications, and this option needs to be enabled, so make sure this option is enabled. Once it is, go back to the main page of settings, and here scroll down to the list of applications, and on the list of applications find the GLORYFIT application. Right here, and tap on it. Make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled, and if you want to, you can also enable the notifications for the GLORYFIT application. And once you're done, you can close the settings, open the GLORYFIT application on the phone, on the iPhone rather, that is paired with your watch. Tap on Devices or Device icon to open the device page for your R3 Pro. And here we have three options: Phone, SMS, and App. Phone, basically this is the notifications for the phone calls. SMS, it's notifications for the messages, and App is notifications for the applications. First, let's tap on Phone. And here we can enable and disable the notifications for phone calls by tapping on the switch next to the first option. Next, we have the option to reject and hang up the calls by pressing and holding the button on our watch. You can enable it or disable it. And once you're done, you can go back, tap on SMS, enable or disable the notifications for the messages. And then we have the app option, and here we can enable or disable the notifications for specific applications. And you can do it by tapping on the switch next to the app to enable or disable the notifications for it. And basically, if you enable the notifications for the app, the notifications from this app will appear on the watch. If you disable it, they won't appear. Quite simple. And you have different apps on the list like Messenger, Gmail, Snapchat, WhatsApp, and stuff like that. If you don't see the application you want to enable the notifications for on this list, you can scroll all the way down and enable the other option. And once you enable this option, basically notifications will be enabled for every app on your iPhone that is not on this list. Okay, and once you're done customizing the settings, you should be able to receive the notifications on your watch. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. As you can see, we have the notification on our iPhone and also on our watch. If you missed the notification on your watch, you can wake up the screen, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the notification menu, and here we have it. You can tap on it to read it, you can tap on the bin icon to clear it, and then you can press the side button to go back. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.